What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you probably the fastest and free potential airdrop that you can do. But before I show you how to do that step by step and the actual project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So the project I'm talking about, it's called Nansen. Nansen 2, it's coming soon. It's a blockchain data and research trusted by the world leading crypto team and investors. So they have a website, and at the time of recording this video, they already have 241,000 followers. So I'm not really going to go into details. I'm just going to show you the steps how to qualify for potential airdrop. And this doesn't cost you anything. So if we go to this website, what you have to do here, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below, right here, you just put your email address, do the CAPTCHA, and then press on join waitlist. And that's it. You're going to be on a waitlist. Once you're going to press on the join waitlist, this window is going to appear and you can share that same link with somebody else. So that way you'll get a referral. You can go to this link and you can actually sign up for a portfolio account, use exactly the same email and then sign up, or you can actually use your wallet to sign up, but then you'll have to link your email. And this is pretty much it. This is the fastest free airdrop potential. All the links I'm going to leave in the description below, and thanks for watching.